How do you know when you've stopped being a beginner drummer? Is it when you can play fast? When you learn your first fill? When you finally nail a difficult groove? Not exactly. The truth is, the jump from beginner to intermediate isn't about one song or one technique. It's about developing a collection of skills that make you a dependable musical drummer. And here's the good news. You don't have to master advanced chops to get there. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 skills every beginner drummer should master before calling themselves an intermediate drummer. If you can honestly check off most of these, you're well on your way. Let's dive in. Playing every note at the same volume is one of the biggest signs of a beginner. Intermediate drummers understand that music breathes. They know when to play softly, when to dig in, and how to make ghost notes disappear beneath a solid backbeat. The drummer who controls volume almost always sounds more professional than the drummer who simply plays louder. Remember, dynamics are musicality. I'm not talking about playing blazing gospel chops. I'm talking about making musical decisions in real time. Can you create a fill without memorizing it first? Can you recover from a mistake without stopping? Can you transition between song sections naturally? Confidence behind the kit comes from trusting your ears, not just your muscle memory. Professional drummers don't spend weeks learning one song. They develop systems. They recognize common grooves, common fills, common song forms. Eventually, you begin hearing songs in patterns instead of individual notes. If someone asks you to learn 10 songs for next weekend, that shouldn't feel impossible. That's an intermediate skill. Technique isn't flashy. It's efficient. Can you play relaxed? Do you understand how your grip affects rebound? Can you switch between finger control, wrist strokes, and arm strokes depending on what the music needs? Good technique makes everything easier. Speed, endurance, consistency, everything. This might be the most important skill on the list. Nobody hires a drummer because of a flashy fill. They hire drummers who make the band feel amazing. Can you place beats 2 and 4 exactly where they belong? Can everyone else relax because your groove feels dependable? A great backbeat wins more gigs than great chops every single time. Most beginners only know one stroke. Intermediate drummers understand the 4 fundamental motions: full stroke, downstroke, tap stroke, upstroke. These strokes create control. They make accents cleaner, ghost notes smoother, and every rudiment suddenly becomes more musical. Master the stroke before chasing speed. Limb independence isn't just playing 4 different rhythms. It's controlling the volume of every limb independently. Can your hi-hat stay soft while your snare cracks? Can your bass drum stay consistent while your hands play dynamic phrases? That's where drumming starts feeling effortless, and honestly, this skill can take years, but that's perfectly normal. The metronome isn't your enemy. It's your training partner. Intermediate drummers stop fighting the click. Instead, they learn to make the click disappear. Can you stay relaxed? Can you lock into the pulse instead of chasing it? The goal isn't robotic timing, it's dependable timing. This is where drummers truly mature. You stop asking, "What cool fill can I play here?" And you start asking, "What does this song actually need?" Sometimes that's a huge fill. Sometimes it's absolutely nothing. The best drummers know the difference. Every note should make the music better, not your ego bigger. This one surprises a lot of people. The more you improve, the more you realize how deep drumming really is. At first, you think drumming is about learning beats, then you discover technique, then dynamics, then touch, then sound, then feel, then tuning, then recording, then musical vocabulary. The mountain just keeps getting bigger. Ironically, feeling like you still have so much to learn is often one of the clearest signs you've become an intermediate drummer, because now you finally understand how much there is to master. So, how many of these 10 skills can you honestly check off? Maybe you're already halfway there. Maybe you only have 2. Either way, that's okay. Progress isn't about comparing yourself to other drummers. It's about becoming a little better every time you sit behind the kit. Which one of these skills has been the hardest for you to develop? Leave that down in the comments. Alright, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any content. Also, check out one of these 2 videos over here. And until the next time, take care.